a broken tie rod out by COVID-19. So we're heading in on the White Trail exit, and we'll get there shortly.
I laughed at Ann Thursday. She's like, what do I make this weekend? I said, what are you talking about? She goes, well, what do I get money for? And I was like, nothing. You are a volunteer. You are not getting paid.
Children, what did you do?
And she tells me, well, I want a new pair of leggings. Good for you.
That's the same guy in the 40. He says, which one's the shortest trail? I got a appointment or something to get to.
Ooh, Frenchie? Or this guy?
I don't know which one it is, but... Hey. Is this the one we're coming to get? You wanted to go for a short trail ride. Break a tie rod?
Tie rod.
Oh.
They're known for it too. I was gonna grab two tie rods and throw them in the back of my truck before I came out here, and I didn't. So my wife's gonna try and stop and see if she can find one on the way out.
Oh, sure. Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I think it's the tie rod. I mean, I can see the end there, but the other part goes into the boot. I don't know. I'm assuming that's where the knuckle is inside the boot. But
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
it's on the passenger side, so I think it's gonna have to be lifted.
Yep. Yep. All right.
Where do you want me? Because I can move it.
Actually, if you back straight up a little bit, that'll make it a little easier.
Want me in the middle of the trail here?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
More or less.
Sweet, Chris. Yeah, we're gonna back up to the middle of the trail. You wanna...
Going out that way, or going to go back that way? We'll go right out here where.
Well, yeah, can you go back up?
Yeah. That one. Yeah.
This might be the first Bronco on the hook, Eric.
Well, this is the first new Bronco on the hook for me.
Yeah.
Alright, hold up.
And it is the notorious broken tie rod.
Okay. Go ahead back.
If it's not going to work, I can pick it up from there.
We got you from here.
Okay.
I can get it from there.
I can get it backwards.
Congratulations, you're the first new Bronco on the hook.
Nice. Nice. These things are known for having tie rod issues.
Yep. It's
put
been
them
all over the internet.
Yeah. I even looked them up to order them, like
Yep.
heavy duty ones.
Yep. But we hadn't got to pick one up yet, so thank you.
There you go. I watch all the videos all the time.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah.
So ever since we drilled those out, Eric and I have been talking, and he kind of likes them, but we talked last week and thinking about shortening the bolt up, or the stud up. And then re-drilling it, but they're kind of quick and kind of easy. right, come back, Eric.
Come up right underneath this winch mount here. Okay. When we pull forward a little bit, and so it'll the weight will be supported right here.
Yep. Okay. That should work good.
Is it over there, Mara? You hook it, sir.
Yeah.
So the new Broncos are kind of notorious for breaking those. It's been a bit of a thing. So you can see right there where he broke it.
All right, looks like we got it hooked up good here. We'll take it out to a parking lot. He's up in the air. Taking this one out of the woods nice and careful.
Talk to your mom. Your mom was calling.
corner, but so far so good. it's making my front end light.
Let's just try and find Jordan's keys, and then we'll go and get it on the trailer, and then just go get it.
Rush,
Get it down to where you want to go.
Yeah. We'll just drop it at Richmond, and I don't know what it is. But well, what time do they open till? Saturdays they should be open.
Their service is 2, but they're open till 2.
See, the only downfall is getting it off the trailer when we get there. That's the other problem. But if it's going straight, it should just drive straight off the trailer.
Yeah, if
we have to we may have to futz the tire a bit, but it'll go.
Well, since we towed you out of the woods,
awesome.
You get one of these.
Sweet. That sucker's going right on the back of my Bronco, man.
Shush.
That is definitely going. Yeah.
That's you. Face the camera.
No, it's awesome. There we go.
First sticker.
First sticker on a Bronco.
Okay, well, we're going to put it on the trailer so we can take it to the Ford dealer. It's on the trailer, ready to go back to the Ford dealer. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.